Hello everybody! Today we are going to start the Tensorflow Serving on Windows 10. You can find a good description of this process on the Tensorflow page, but as usual, not everything is working in Windows out of the box. If you are watching this, it means you already installed Docker. If not, please check my video on how to install Docker on Windows 10. First, for this example to start working, we need to switch on the experimental features on Docker settings. Then we are pulling TensorFlow Serving image from the Docker Hub. Now we need some model which we will use with the TensorFlow Serving system. Google provides us with a simple model called half+2, which, as you may have already guessed, gives us the half of the input values plus 2. Okay, let's clone this model from the repo. In the presented example, we need to create a global variable TESTDATA. To create such a variable in the Windows PowerShell, we use a setVariable command with two parameters, name and value. Now we can start the TensorFlow Serving container. We open REST API port and map our local directory with our model to the directory in the Docker container. Well, TensorFlow Serving has started and we can use our model. How the example says, we can use curl utility to pass the input values to our model. Here we are passing 3 values to the predict method. But if you're just trying to execute this code in Windows, you will get an error. Because in Windows 10 curl is by default the alias to the invoke web request. To check it, we can use a getAlias command. To solve this issue, we need to remove this alias, using the command remove item. After that, we try to start curl command one more time. And now we get another error. To solve this, we need to add a backslash before quotes. Now everything is working the way we expected. And after you finish playing with this example, don't forget to stop the TensorFlow Serving container, because it will be automatically started after you restart your PC. Hopefully, this video was informative. See you in the next one. Bye!